Hi, this is Noelle. I'm going to be explaining how hearing works. Compression waves are first funneled by the pinna in the ear canal. As the compression waves are being funneled, they hit the ear canal. And as they hit the ear canal, the eardrum begins to vibrate and sets the osticular in motion. The osticular is made up of the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. Sound vibrations move along the osticular and into the inner ear. The oval window is a membrane-covered opening which leads from the middle ear into the inner ear. Within the inner ear, the cochlea plays a central role. In the cochlea, the energy of sound is changed into electrical signals and then passed on to the brain. The cochlea is also in the shape of a spiral. The inner ear has cilia, which are organelles of hair which respond to fluid motion and are an essential part of not only how we hear, but also balance. The basilar membrane is also part of the inner ear and separates two liquid-filled tubes that run along the cochlea. The auditory nerve carries signals from the cochlea of the inner ear to the brain. The information eventually reaches the thalamus, which acts as an auditory relay, getting the messages to the auditory cortex. The auditory cortex is the region of the brain that processes sound. It is located in the temporal lobe. There are two important theories of how the auditory system is believed to code the pitch of a sound: the place theory and the temporal theory. The place theory states that our perception of sound depends on where component frequency produces vibrations along the basilar membrane. The temporal theory, on the other hand, states that our perception of sound depends on the temporal patterns with which neurons respond to the cochlea. There also is a theory called the volley theory, which states groups of neurons can encode the timing of sound waves in the cochlea. Because hearing is such a complicated process, there are many types of problems that can come along with it and result in hearing loss. Conductive hearing loss occurs when sound is not conducted through the outer ear canal to the eardrum and the osticulars of the middle ear. Conductive hearing loss can be caused by things such as impacted earwax and swimmer's ear. Neuronal hearing loss occurs when the damage to the inner cochlea or the nerve pathways from the inner ear of the brain. Some causes include aging and head trauma. The only part of the hearing process that I'm still confused about is the volley theory and how it connects to the frequency principle. I learned that sometimes conducive hearing occurs in a combination of sensorineural hearing loss, and this is damage in the outer, middle, and inner ear, and this is called mixed hearing. Mixed hearing results from anything that causes conductive or sensorineural loss in the first place. Okay, well that concludes my hearing explain everything. And I'm sorry I sound like I'm a dying old man.